Hey guys, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a look with the brand spanking new Melt Baby Girl Stack. This little baby will be available March 24th, and if you didn't already know, I'm 100% completely obsessed with Melt Cosmetics, and everything they put out is amazing, and this definitely is as well. So I did go with a little bit of a simpler eye today just because I wanted to use only the colors in this stack, but don't worry, I will have some extra fun cut crease looks coming up for you pretty quick here, so be on the lookout for those on Instagram. And anyways, so let's get started on the look. Alright, first color we're going to start with is So Dope. And I'm just going to take my Morphe M433 and start on the inside corner of the eye and bring it towards the center. Next is the color Come Over. Still using the same brush, I'm now going to start in the middle and kind of bring it out and wing it just a little bit. Next color is going to be Dust Yourself Off. So here I'm taking my Morphe M431 and I am going to make this, put this right in my crease. And then wing it out. And then I'm just going to blend those lines out just a little bit. Okay, so now we're just going to deepen this up a little bit with More Than a Lover. And I'm using my Morphe 431 and I'm going to put this on the outer corner of the lid and a little bit in the wing and in the crease. Alright, final color, which just happens to be the name of the stack. It is Baby Girl. So I'm going to put this on the rest of the lid. This is my first time using this color and I really feel like it just needs a little bit of wet for what I'm trying to do with it. There we go. Oh my gosh, you guys, this color is gorgeous. Alright, now to start the under eye, and the first product I'm going to be using is of course from Melt, and it is their all day everyday Metal Bond eyeliner in the color Rosalind's Leans. I don't know how you say it. Sorry, I always butcher this one, but it's a really gorgeous color and I would probably say that it's a mix between Baby Girl and More Than a Lover. So it'll go really well with this look. So I'm just going to put this in the waterline. I think I forgot to say that. Alright, back to eyeshadow. First color is going to be More Than a Lover. Using my Morphe M431 brush, just working that into the lower lashes. Next color is Come Over. Alright, switching to my Morphe M507 brush, I'm just going to work that into the lower portion of the last eyeshadow. And then oh, whoops, that's upside down. And then the next color is So Dope. going back to my Morphe M433 brush, and I'm just going to very lightly get the bottom of these colors with So Dope. And then the last color we're going to be using is Dust Yourself Off. And I'm just taking my Morphe M515 brush and getting this color close in the lashes. For inner corner highlight, I'm going to be using the Balm Mary Lou Manizer. And I'm just popping that on with my Morphe M506 brush. For mascara, I'm using my IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. For lashes, I'm going to be using Black Magic Lashes in Luminera. For lip, I'm going to be using Melt Cosmetics All Day Everyday Matte Lip Liner in the color Scandal. So I'm just going to line my lips and then I'm going to fill it in completely. And then I'm going to top this with NYX Cosmetics Cosmic Metals Lip Cream in the color Solar Energy. Alright you guys, well that's it for today. I will have all of the products listed down below in the description, and while you're down there, don't forget to hit subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!